Hi friends, today we'll discuss about public provident fund. So everybody knows about the provident fund account. When you join any organization or bank, first thing they'll do on your onboarding, they'll open a provident fund account. So other than this provident fund account, you can open a public provident fund with any designated bank or branch. So today we will discuss about public provident fund. So this scheme is proposed and maintained by central government. So you can open your public provident fund account in designated bank and branches. So I given some examples: SBI, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and in those banks designated branches you can open your public provident fund account. So this is other than your normal provident fund account. So what is the minimum deposit you have to keep it in your PPF account? So anytime if you go to a bank and you opened a PPF account, you want to deposit a money, minimum is 500 rupees. And monthly one transaction means in a financial year you can do 12 transactions only. More than that you can't do. And what is the maximum amount you can deposit in a financial year? 1,50,000 is the maximum amount you can deposit in a financial year. Financial year always starts on 1st April, ends on 31st March. So what is the interest rate? So whatever I have given is a present interest rate. It will be keep on changing from period to period. Right now it is 7.1% per annum. And interest will be calculated and credited to your account every year. So after March, in April month, for the previous financial year, interest will be calculated and credited to your account. You can see in your passbook, PPF passbook. So to make your account active every financial year, you have to make minimum one deposit. Otherwise, your account will become inactive. And what is the maturity period for a PPF account? It is 15 years. If you open a PPF account, maturity will be after 15 years only. Okay, is there any facility to transfer your PPF account from one branch to another branch? Same bank. For example, you have your PPF account in Guntur SBI. You can transfer to Hyderabad SBI, any branch. Same bank. It cannot be from ICICI to SBI, SBI to Axis Bank. Loan allowed. Whether so you started a PPF account, you are keep on depositing every year or monthly. So whether you will get a loan on PPF account? Yes. From the third financial year onwards to sixth financial year, you will get a loan. For the loan, they will charge 1% extra. For example, right now you are getting 7.5% per annum. Your interest rate will be on the loan is 8.1%, 1% extra. For example, you are getting 8%, 9% they will charge on the loan. Whether can I withdraw amount before maturity? Yes, allowed. After the 5th year, 50% of the amount can be withdrawn for your personal purposes. So, if you start your PPF account after 5th year, you can withdraw 50% of the amount. Whether after maturity, after 15 years, can I renew my PPF account? Yes. Further, another 5 years, you can renew your PPF account. So, it will become 20 years. Tax exemption. Yes. Amount deposited in PPF account is exempted from tax under section 80C. What is the maximum amount? 1,50,000 for a financial year. So one person can have one PPF account only. In other scenarios, individuals, these people can open multiple savings accounts, but PPF account, one person. Minors can be allowed to open a PPF account. HUF and joint not allowed to open a PPF account. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends.